Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to join a Jandel servers and grow a garden. Now the first thing I want you to do is just go and search up grow a garden. I want you to click on it. Then from here I want you to click on servers, and I want you to make sure right here you scroll down. Sometimes they make private servers. Usually it is, public. And I want you to scroll down until basically you see Jandel. Okay, so let me just search up Jandel and I'll show you what their profile actually looks like. So it looks like this one right here. Let me show you. They would usually have a star verified badge if it's visible. Make sure you search them up under people. And they have about right now 2.7 million followers. So it should be the first one. There you go, Jandel. You can see there's this monkey face with the hat, and he's wearing like a star there, a crown. And as you can see, he has so many followers. What you can do is you can also follow him on Roblox. So whenever he makes a new lobby server, then you'll be able to easily join. And when you see him, you just join. Okay. So really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.